A cruise suite is a world-class experience that makes vacationing extraordinary. These lavish suites on the finest cruise ships have added amenities, exclusive perks, and convenient services. Number 10. Regent Suite Regent Seven Seas Cruises. Regent Seven Seas Cruises are renowned for their opulent accommodations, and the Regent Suite stands out as the epitome of luxury. Found on Seven Seas Explorer, Seven Seas Grandeur, and Seven Seas Splendor, this extraordinary suite spans an impressive 43 square feet. Guests are treated to exclusive amenities, including a personal butler and a Steinway piano. The suite features 2 private balconies with sweeping ocean views and a heated mini-pool spa. Moreover, an in-suite spa with a sauna, steam room, and jacuzzi adds to the lavish experience. With 2 master bedrooms and a living and dining room, guests can unwind amidst exquisite details, such as original lithographs by Pablo Picasso and hand-blown Lalique vases. Regent Seven Seas Cruises has made a significant mark in the luxury cruise market with its splendid suite collection, and the Regent Suite stands as a true work of art. Recognized as potentially the most expensive cruise ship suite, it boasts a rack rate of $11,000 per night. Number 9. Royal Loft Suite Royal Caribbean. Royal Caribbean's Royal Loft Suite, found on the Oasis and Quantum-class ships, epitomizes luxury with sizes ranging from nearly 1,800 square feet on Oasis vessels to over 1,600 square feet on Quantum ships. This lavish accommodation offers private balconies and floor-to-ceiling windows, providing breathtaking sea views, a perfect setting for discerning families. Some Royal Loft Suites even feature a media room. Typically priced at $20,000 for a 7-night cruise, the Royal Loft Suite ensures a regal experience. In addition, Royal Caribbean presents the ultimate family suite, catering to families seeking extraordinary comfort. Complete with an air hockey table and an in-suite slide, it promises a unique and enjoyable stay. For guests staying in Star Suites, a Royal Jenny provides a personalized service that exceeds expectations. From assisting with restaurant entertainment bookings to planning special occasion celebrations, the Royal Jenny ensures an unforgettable and tailored experience for guests. Number 8. EXPLORAI Explorer Journeys. The EXPLORAI cruise ship stands out with its opulent suites, offering the pinnacle of luxury at sea. The owner's residence, a beacon of opulence, features expansive 280 square meter living spaces. It includes a private dining area for 8 guests, a fireplace, and a spacious outdoor whirlpool. For those seeking exceptional comfort and tranquility, the Ocean Residences provide elegantly designed suites with balconies offering breathtaking panoramic sea views. Discerning guests aiming for the highest standards of luxury can choose the Ocean Penthouses, while the Ocean Suites, among the largest in their category, offer spacious accommodations. All these suites come with exclusive access to 24/7 concierge service and in-suite dining, enhancing the cruising experience. For those yearning for an upscale cruise with a genuine home-at-sea feel, EXPLORAI suites present an enticing option. With a range of luxurious offerings from the owner's residence to the Ocean Penthouses and suites, EXPLORAI promises a truly indulgent cruise experience. Number 7. Crystal Penthouse Suite Crystal Cruises. The Penthouse Suite on Crystal Cruises epitomizes sophistication and luxury. This lavish accommodation boasts opulent furnishings, elegant decor, and spacious living spaces, spanning up to 1,256 square feet, complemented by a balcony of up to 107 square feet. Its iconic design, blending contemporary influences with clean lines and modern art, creates an inviting atmosphere for guests to indulge in unparalleled comfort. The master bathroom is an exquisite retreat featuring a television, a Duravet spa flotation tub with an ocean view, and a state-of-the-art shower. Every aspect of this suite is meticulously designed with luxury in mind, making it one of the most elegant and desirable cruise ship rooms available. Number 6. Owner's Suite Silversea Cruises. Set sail on an unforgettable journey aboard the opulent Silversea cruise ships, where you'll be immersed in the epitome of sophistication and personalized service. Revel in the awe-inspiring beauty of some of the world's most breathtaking landscapes while enjoying the highest standards of luxury. For those seeking an elevated level of exclusivity, the Owner's Suite, available in various sizes depending on the specific vessel, offers an extraordinary retreat. Each suite is meticulously adorned with stunning furnishings, creating an ambience that is truly unparalleled. Enhancing the indulgence, the Owner's Suite comes complete with a dedicated butler service, a welcoming bottle of champagne upon arrival, a daily canapé service, and complimentary laundry services. This suite is designed to provide the utmost in luxury, offering a tailored and unforgettable experience for the most discerning guests. Number 5. Balmoral and Sandringham Suites Cunard. For an unparalleled luxury travel experience, the epitome is found in the Balmoral and Sandringham Suites aboard Queen Mary II. These exceptional duplex suites by Curated offer an array of features designed to elevate the holiday experience to new heights. With a private balcony providing panoramic views for idyllic sunrises and sunsets, the Grand Balmoral Suite spans an impressive 2,249 square feet, ensuring a spacious and stylish interior. Guests of the Balmoral Suite enjoy exclusive access to Queen Mary II's Grills Lounge and benefit from priority embarkation, adding an extra layer of sophistication to the cruise journey. From the carefully designed interiors to the breathtaking private balcony vistas, every detail of these suites is crafted to make travelers feel truly special, promising an unforgettable and luxurious cruise experience. Number 4. Wish Tower Suite Disney Cruise Line. Experience the ultimate Disney fantasy with the Wish Tower Suite aboard the Disney Wish cruise ship. This two-story haven is a dream for any Disney enthusiast, boasting lavish amenities such as a stunning spiral staircase, a well-equipped wet bar, and a wine fridge. With a generous space of 1,966 square feet, the suite can comfortably host up to 8 guests, providing a magical escape into the enchanting world of Disney. The Wish Tower Suite. Immerse yourself in the whimsical ambience adorned with Moana-inspired artwork and custom design elements. Each room is infused with a captivating Polynesian theme, creating an exotic atmosphere that transports you to a paradise of Disney magic. Feel like royalty as you embark on your Disney adventure, creating unforgettable memories in the cozy and opulent Wish Tower Suite. This unique experience comes with a price tag starting at $30,000 per cruise, promising an unparalleled journey into the heart of Disney enchantment. Number 3. Owner's Penthouse Suites. Scenic is renowned for providing exceptional small ship cruising experiences, delivering attentive service and offering outstanding excursions on both river cruises and luxury yachts. Situated on Deck 9, the Scenic Eclipse boasts 2 luxurious owner's suites, each featuring 2 bedrooms, a private spa pool, and a spacious curved terrace. Spanning an impressive 2,099 square feet, these cruise suites provide breathtaking views from the yacht's bow. As an added indulgence, guests in the owner's penthouse suite receive a complimentary 1-hour spa treatment within their suite. Additionally, a personal butler is at your service, handling tasks such as unpacking, restocking the minibar with your preferred drinks, and taking care of your laundry needs. This level of personalized service ensures that guests can fully immerse themselves in the luxury and comfort of their Scenic Eclipse experience. Number 2. Winter Garden Suite, Seabourn. Indulge in the epitome of opulence by reserving the Winter Garden Suite, a sprawling 989 square foot haven on Seabourn. This lavish suite seamlessly combines refined elegance with a contemporary allure, providing an abundance of space to unwind and relish breathtaking vistas. Immerse yourself in relaxation as you luxuriate in the deep whirlpool tub, strategically placed next to floor-to-ceiling windows that offer serene views of the azure waters, ensuring complete tranquility and seclusion. The sheer expanse of the suite accommodates 2 walk-in wardrobes, ensuring ample storage for all your belongings. For moments of bliss amid nature's beauty, recline on the solarium daybeds and let time stand still. Escape the confines of reality and embark on an unforgettable journey aboard Seabourn, creating lasting memories in the embrace of the Winter Garden Suite. Number 1. Owner's Suite, Ritz-Carlton Yacht Collection. For those seeking the pinnacle of luxury, the Owner's Suite on the Ritz-Carlton Yacht Collection offers an exceptional experience. With a generous 1,091 square feet, each suite boasts unparalleled amenities for an unforgettable stay. Whether you prefer entertaining on the private terrace with a bubbling hot tub, indulging in 24-hour in-suite dining, or relaxing in the king-size bed within the expansive living space, the suite caters to every desire. Boasting 2 bathrooms, it provides added convenience and comfort. No matter your choice of indulgence, treating yourself to this iconic suite promises a truly memorable and opulent escape. In conclusion, a luxurious cruise ship suite offers an unparalleled and indulgent experience for discerning travelers seeking the epitome of comfort and opulence at sea. From spacious and exquisitely designed living spaces to personalized services and exclusive amenities, these suites redefine the notion of luxury travel. The panoramic views of the open sea, the fine dining experiences, and the attention to detail in every aspect of the suite contribute to a truly immersive and unforgettable journey. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our fantastic content. Thank you for watching our video today.